Welcome to ICSE Computer Application Class 10 100 Marks. I am Ganga Devi, and in this particular video we will be discussing the reduced syllabus. We can say the further reduced syllabus in ICSE Computer Application 2021. So here we will be discussing what are the topics which we have to study, which topic was removed, how we can score good marks, how the marking system will be there, what important topics are there. So all the things we will be doing in detail in this video. We will discuss each and every topic in detail. So before starting the video, I would like to request those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe it. And in the end, please press the like button if you understand all the things and if it is clear and if you like the video. This will encourage me to create more videos. And you can see many videos of class 9th and 10th in this channel. So before starting, we can go through the syllabus of class 10 computer application ICSE board. It consists of revision of class 9 syllabus. We will be discussing this topic in detail. Class as basis of all computation, functions, constructors, library class, encapsulation, string handling, and arrays. These are the normal chapters which we are doing or we were doing in board exam. So in the reduced syllabus, encapsulation chapter is completely removed. So from this topic also, from all this topic given below, some part of the topics or some part of the chapters are removed. So now we can see what are the reduced topics or what are the reduced chapters. Now we can see what are the topics which we have to concentrate or which we have to study and what are the sections which are removed. So here we can see ICSE syllabus. On the left hand side I am showing the syllabus of computer application. All these years we were going through or doing these chapters. And on the right hand side reduced syllabus is shown, which is only for this year, that means this year board exam 2021. So here we can see in the first 5 sections nothing is removed. We can compare each line. The first revision of class 9 syllabus, everything is there, no section or no chapter, no topic is removed. And class as basis of all computation, here also you can compare line by line. There is no removal of any topic. And in the next page, here next section, we can see user defined methods. So functions also nothing is removed. It is as it is in the normal years. All the topics, pure, impure function, prototype, signature and programs, everything is there. And now in the next section we are having here constructors and library class. In this topic also no change is there. All topics are there as it is given early. So here also we have to study the complete topics as prescribed. And now these methods. Here we can see the methods of library class. Here also all the methods we have to find, we have to study. That means parse int, each line by line you can check it. No function or no method is changed. All these outputs we have to study. Return type we have to study, the syntax we have to study. So here also change is there. And in the next chapter we can see encapsulation. So the complete chapter is removed. That means no need to study private, protected and public. So all these topics are removed. So no need to study. This chapter is completely removed. Now the next topic is arrays. Here we can see in the arrays. Here this chapter, some parts of this chapter it is reduced. Early we have to study the selection sort and bubble sort, and now we have to study only the bubble sort. So first of all we can see what all topics are removed. Here selection sort is removed. Here we can see the topics which are removed from the arrays are selection sort, and then binary search, no need to study. This topic is also completely removed. And then the programs double dimension array, the double dimension array complete topic is removed. And then programs with strings, array programs with strings also it is completely removed. So we have to study the outputs of single dimension array, programs of single dimension array, sorting only bubble sorting and searching only linear search. So it is easy for the students to study this searching method. Linear search is very easy and bubble sort also it is very easy. So we can have to study only these topics. The next important topic is string handling. We can see lot of reduction here. First of all, the implementation of string class methods by using programs, string array, it is completely removed. But we have to study all the functions of string class in detail. So as we have seen, no reduction in the functions of string. We have to study each and every topic. That means we have to study each and every function which were there earlier also. And what is less is the programs. Programs will not be there, will not be asked in the string. From the string we can say no array programs with string, nothing. So we have to concentrate only in the purpose working examples with output, syntax and return type of the strings. So these are the topics which we have to study in the board exam this year. And now we can see how the mark distribution is done. We can see the marks distribution of ICSE board computer application. ICSE board computer application will be of 100 marks, not as other subject which carries 80 marks. In computer application, 100 marks paper will come. So we are having two sections in this, section A and section B. Section A will be having 40 marks and section B will be having 60 marks. And in section A, there are 20 questions which carries 2 marks each, and in section B there are 6 programs. Out of this, it is a choice section. We have to do any 4 programs and each program will carry 15 marks each. So total 60 plus 40 will give you 100 marks. Distribution of questions and marks in section A. Here we can see the topic and marks. This is an analysis. Maybe 1 or 2 marks difference can come in the topics. Here we can see revision of class 9 syllabus, 8 to 10 marks, maths functions, identify keywords, all the things, 8 to 10 mark questions can come. Class as basis of computation, 1 mark. Functions, 2 marks outputs can come. Constructors, 2 marks. Library class outputs, 2 marks can come. Encapsulation, 1 mark. Arrays, 2 to 3 marks. And string handling, 2 marks. So in this way the questions, 20 questions are there, it will be distributed. So we can see section B, how the marks are distributed in section B also. Revision of class 9 syllabus, if-else-if program, or here we can say switch case program with series or pattern or number program. Here these three are combined, the class as basis of all computation and constructors with if-else-if program can come. And function questions, mainly the overloading programs will be asked. And library class, no programs are there. Encapsulation, also no programs. And in array, we can have one question, sorting, searching, or any different kinds of array. And in string handling also one question can come. So mainly the board exam, the first question will be of the class, or we can say constructor with if-else-if. And the last program, normally it is switch case program with number program. Otherwise we can say series or pattern. So that was the normal marking pattern. Now we can see this year how the marks can be distributed. And in section A, here revision of class 9 syllabus, marks can increase because some topics are removed from class 10. So more questions can come from revision of class 9. And functions, constructors, it can be almost the same, but library class marks can increase. Arrays also marks can increase, and string handling also marks will increase. Here we can see what all topics we have to concentrate in the revision of class 9 syllabus. Here in section A, definition of class, objects, principle of OOPs and their definition, one word question, difference of object and class and other OOP principle, their state and behavior. Study well the definitions and difference. Java commands, difference of Java compilation, ordinary compilation and bytecode. Tokens, keywords, identifier all the tokens, operators and preference, ternary operator. Ternary operator is an important topic. Increment operator, all the operators are important topic. Mathematical operators and outputs, and if-else-if, switch case outputs, while loop outputs, and conversion of if-else-if to ternary, ternary to if-else, if-else to switch case and vice versa, and for loop to while loop and do while loop, and do while or while loop to for loop. And ternary operators, the outputs also can come. So these are the topics which we have to concentrate from revision of class 9 syllabus. So class 10 we can see what we have to study and what we don't have to study. Class 10 syllabus, we have to study the constructor, definition, types of constructor, difference between constructors and function, and overloading constructor. And definition of function. Functions, 1 or 2 questions every year. It is a sure question. The type of function we have to study. Difference and definition of pure and impure function. Parameters, actual parameters and formal parameter. Definition of prototype and how to write the prototype. Call by value, call by reference, and the definition with example and function overloading and output question. Library class, auto boxing, wrapper class, package, keywords, conversion of string to primitive and primitive to string, and exceptions and character function we have to study in detail. This topic is not there. Encapsulation, no need to study the private, protected and public. And here definition of arrays, types of arrays, operations that can be performed, index of array, outputs, questions with math function, and sorting and searching, questions with linear searching and bubble sorting. What we don't have to study is selection sorting and binary searching and double dimension. So this topic we don't have to study, and all the other topics in detail, thorough study should be done. So we can see the section B, what we have to concentrate. Thoroughly study if-else-if program with table, switch case with number, series of patterns, or while loop. Switch can come combined with all these programs. And class constructor questions combined with if-else, function overloading with series of patterns, array program sorting and searching. So these questions we have to study thoroughly. So these are the questions which we have to concentrate in computer application this year. So with this the video comes to an end. I hope all of you have understood the reduced syllabus thoroughly, what we have to study, what portions we have to concentrate, how we can score more marks, and which topic and which type of questions we have to study, what type of programs we have to study. So those who haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and write your comments so that I can understand what more topics we have to cover, and it also will encourage me to create more videos. Thank you and see you all in the next video.